Hello, friends, and welcome back to Wellness Wisdom, where we explore how to nurture ourselves through mindful, balanced living. The holiday season is filled with delicious foods and special moments shared around the table. But for many of us, it also comes with that tricky feeling of overindulgence. We all want to celebrate and enjoy our meals. We just don't want to feel weighed down afterward. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create healthy holiday recipes that let you enjoy the season fully without the guilt. So let's dive in, and together we'll bring joy back to holiday eating. Holidays often mean rich and indulgent foods, gravy-drenched mashed potatoes, buttery pies, sugary treats. These are the traditions we've come to love, but we all know how we feel afterward. Maybe it's that post-meal sluggishness, or even a little bit of guilt creeping in. But here's the good news. You don't need to sacrifice flavor or tradition to feel good about what's on your plate. With a few simple changes, we can create guilt-free holiday meals that taste just as good, leave you feeling satisfied, and give your body the nourishment it craves. Let's start by exploring how easy it is to make healthier versions of holiday favorites. One of the simplest ways to do this is by making small ingredient swaps. Instead of using heavy cream and butter in mashed potatoes, try mashed cauliflower with a little olive oil and roasted garlic. You'll get that same creamy texture, but with a lighter, healthier twist. This swap can turn a dish into a low-calorie holiday recipe without sacrificing flavor. Now, for those of you who love baking, rather than refined sugars, opt for natural sweeteners like maple syrup, honey, or coconut sugar. These options create healthy holiday desserts that keep you feeling balanced after your meal. Even a small change, like using whole grains or almond flour instead of white flour, can turn a high-carb dish into a low-carb holiday recipe that's easier on your digestion. Beyond the ingredients, there's something even more powerful you can bring to the table: mindfulness. Practicing mindful eating during the holidays can transform how you feel during and after the meal. It's about being fully present with your food, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and even the colors on your plate. When we eat mindfully, we savor each bite and naturally slow down, allowing our bodies to tell us when we're truly full. It's a beautiful way to enjoy the holiday meal and connect more deeply with those around us. Let's talk about portion control for a moment. This can be one of the easiest ways to enjoy your favorite foods while still feeling light and energized afterward. Instead of piling your plate high, start small. Fill your plate with plenty of veggies first, like a delicious serving of roasted winter vegetables or a fresh, vibrant salad. Then, enjoy smaller portions of more indulgent dishes. With this approach, you're nourishing your body with fiber and nutrients, but still enjoying those festive flavors we all love. Sometimes it's as simple as using a smaller plate or serving your meal in courses rather than all at once. This helps slow down the eating process, giving your body time to recognize when you're satisfied. Plus, it's a great way to appreciate each dish on its own, whether it's a savory side or a special dessert. Now that we've talked about portions and mindful eating, let's dive into some specific recipes that will make your holiday table both delicious and nutritious. These dishes are perfect for impressing your guests and yourself with rich, comforting, guilt-free flavors. Roasted winter vegetables with balsamic glaze. This dish is a celebration of seasonal eating fall recipes, packed with roasted root vegetables like sweet potatoes, parsnips, and Brussels sprouts. Toss them with a little olive oil, sprinkle of sea salt, and roast until caramelized. Then add a drizzle of balsamic glaze for that perfect sweet, savory balance. It's a colorful, nutritious side dish that complements any holiday meal. Herb-Crusted Turkey with lemon garlic sauce. Whether you're cooking turkey or tofu, this herb-crusted dish is a crowd pleaser. Coat your protein with fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage. Then roast to perfection. The key is the lemon garlic sauce, which adds brightness and depth without the heaviness of traditional gravies. This recipe is ideal for a low-fat holiday meal and pairs beautifully with a quinoa salad or roasted veggies. Pumpkin pie with almond flour crust and coconut cream. Pumpkin pie is a holiday classic, but by using almond flour for the crust and coconut cream for the topping, you're creating a dessert that's naturally gluten-free and lower in sugar. The result? A healthy holiday dessert that satisfies your sweet tooth while supporting your wellness goals. Now, let's not forget about the drinks. While holiday cocktails and sugary beverages often sneak in a lot of hidden calories, plenty of delicious alternatives will keep you hydrated and satisfied. Try sparkling water infused with fresh cranberries and a sprig of rosemary for a festive, low-calorie option. Or, for something warm and cozy, enjoy a cup of cinnamon-spiced herbal tea, which pairs beautifully with those rich holiday flavors. These drinks can add a special touch to your gathering while helping you avoid unnecessary sugars and calories. So, as you prepare for your holiday gatherings, remember that the joy of food is about connection, celebration, and nourishment. By making these simple swaps, practicing mindful eating during the holidays, and trying out these guilt-free holiday meals, you'll give yourself and your loved ones the gift of health and well-being. And the best part? You'll leave the table feeling light, energized, and ready to enjoy the rest of the season. Before you go, be sure to check out our related video on the benefits of seasonal eating, Fall Edition. It's filled with tips on how to make the most of seasonal produce, which adds flavor and nutrition to any meal. And remember to subscribe for more healthy holiday recipes and wellness tips. Wishing you all a happy, healthy holiday season. See you in the next video.